Welcome to the first part of our ultimate walking tour through the soul of Croatia. Today, we begin our journey in the south, exploring the timeless beauty of the Dalmatian coast. Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic, is a city shaped by stone and history. Walking its massive 12th century walls is the most essential experience for any visitor. Stretching for over a mile, these ramparts have protected the city's freedom for centuries, offering views that feel like stepping back in time. We enter the heart of the city through the historic Pile Gate, our gateway to the marble-paved streets of the Stradun. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, let's continue our walk. The Stradun is the city's main artery. Early morning is the best time to appreciate the craftsmanship of the stones, worn smooth by millions of footsteps. Just inside the gate stands the large Onofrio's fountain, built in 1438. It still provides fresh spring water to thirsty travelers today. Nearby, the Franciscan monastery hides a quiet cloister and one of the world's oldest pharmacies, operating continuously since 1317. The Rector's Palace showcases the city's former political power, a masterwork of Gothic and Renaissance design that now serves as a museum. For fans of cinematic history, these Baroque Jesuit stairs are an iconic stop, though their beauty far predates their modern fame. As the sun dips below the horizon, Dubrovnik's limestone glows, a perfect end to our exploration of the Pearl of the Adriatic. Our journey now takes us further north by sea, heading toward a town often called Little Dubrovnik. Welcome to Korčula. This medieval walled town is famous for its unique fishbone street layout, designed to catch cool summer breezes. Entering through the Revelin Tower and the Land Gate, we find ourselves in one of the best preserved medieval centers in the Mediterranean. The Revelin Tower still stands tall, a reminder of the city's Venetian past and strategic importance along the shipping routes. Walking these streets is a lesson in medieval urban planning. The curved western streets block the cold winter winds, while the straight eastern ones let in the breeze. At the highest point of the town sits St. Mark's Cathedral, a masterpiece of local stonemasonry that took over 150 years to complete. The views from the city walls are breathtaking, offering a clear sight across the Lovrijenac Channel to the mountains beyond. Korčula also claims to be the home of the legendary explorer Marco Polo. Whether true or not, the spirit of discovery lives in every corner here. As evening falls, the town transforms into a peaceful, romantic haven, far from the bustle of the larger coastal cities. This is just the beginning. Join us in part 2 as we head to central Dalmatia to explore the living Roman ruins of Split and the sun-drenched island of Hvar. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in the next part.